it's Saving with Shay, and we're here for our weekend Walmart haul for you guys. So listen, this is gonna be pretty easy for me. I ain't even gonna lie, because I only need 8 rebates for $3. And then we do have a larger bonus as well. And I bought a surprise your girl because I only need I don't want to say only, but I need 45 for $10, whereas I usually get 48 for $10. So thank you, Ibotta, for giving your girl a little baby break. What is this bonus called? It is called, I wonder who comes up with these names for these bonuses. Do they like sit around the table at like Ibotta headquarters and come up with ideas, and it'd be like, John, that's a winner. Carol, that's a winner. It's called the Rewarding Resolutions bonus, and I need 45. So I'm hoping I can knock that out. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. If you're new here, duh. If you're new here, which I know some of you guys are, definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button. Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss out, right? What I wanted to mention really quick, because I get this a lot, but it's like I don't want to do a whole video for it because I don't think it's worth it. And so I'm gonna try to mention this more often for those of you who, really want to know. All right, you really want to know? You want to know what the trick is? So when it comes to like Shopmium and Alexa, like for starters, I can no longer, I haven't been able to submit the same receipt for the same offers in forever. All right. So that's already like the first thing. The second thing is when it comes to submitting your receipts, which order? Because a lot of y'all always be asking me like, I can do this and you can do this and I can do this and I can do this and you can do that. No, look, this is how I do it for real. When it comes to Shopmium, and one of you guys told me this, when it comes to Shopmium, all right, it's the same thing with Alexa, but just know we're not submitting the same receipt. So you guys know that sometimes it'll be like this haul, it might be specifically like Shopmium, and the next haul might be specifically Alexa. So what I do is with Shopmium, submit your receipts to Shopmium first, period. Okay, submit your receipts to Shopmium first. Sometimes I'll break my transactions up in hopes that it processes faster, but literally lately it's been going really, really fast. So once it clears, like once Shopmium send you that notification saying we paid you, then submit your receipt to the other ones in no particular order at all. Like none. All right, I do Shopmium. If I'm submitting to Shopmium's first, wait for it to clear, and then you'll do Ibotta, Swagbucks, whatever. Okay. Same thing with Alexa. If I'm submitting to Alexa, Alexa is always first, wait for it to clear. Now Alexa does take a lot longer, ain't gonna lie. Sometimes it goes through fast, but sometimes it takes a minute. But that's how I do it. What else did I want to say really, really, really quick? I counted my change. You guys want to know how much my change was? It was $189. So it was a lot less than last year. Last year was like over 200. It was well over 200, and so this time it wasn't as much. I ended up taking it to Food for Less to the Coinstar. They charge you $25, but I was just like, whatever. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. So other than that, we're going to head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab since we already talked for 4 minutes. And I will see you guys when I get there. If you want to see what your girl got, definitely keep on watching.
All right, guys. So this first deal, I saw Miss Nicole over on Instagram post. It's on the Pepsi. It's on the wild cherry. Now, one of you guys said that you can get any kind. Are the zero sugars work as well? I only see the regular ones right here. Price at $2.28. You're gonna text Get Wild to 81234, making this absolutely free. All right, so this next deal we're gonna grab again is on the Orchard Valley Harvest. We did this in our last video, but it just happened to pop up on Checkout 51 on Thursday, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it again. You wanna grab 2 of them, a price at $2.78. You'll pay $5.56. And then get back $4 on inbox dollars, and then 88 cents for each one on Checkout 51, which is $1.76, making it a 20-cent money maker. I went ahead and maxed it out, and grab 4. So this next deal is gonna be on the Tyson grilled chicken. So they are priced at $8.97. For this, you want to grab 2 bags. You end up paying $17.94 out of pocket, but you'll get back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta. There's also $5 on Swagbucks, My Point Unbox Artada. And then last but not least, we've got $2.24 for each one, which is $4.48. Coming back on checkout 51, making them only $3.73 per bag, which is definitely a freaking awesome deal. I normally grab this one down here for $8 for 1 bag. To grab 2 of them for that price is an awesome, awesome deal. Alright, this next deal I was gonna grab is on the great value. It's the sour cream and onion. This store is the only one that has them in stock. Well, it says they have them in stock, but they don't. They're priced at $1.82. So for this, you would grab 1 of them, getting back $6 on Flavor Wiki. It would make it a $4.18 moneymaker, and I have 2 different offers on there, so I was gonna grab 2, but they don't have any. But they do have these, the sensible portion. So next time that one pops up for me, I'll know where to get it from. All right, now this next deal I was hoping to find, but I guess they don't carry the Orgain kids in my area. But if you can find them, they are priced at $7.96. You want to grab 2, pay $15.92 out of pocket. You'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta plus a $2.50 bonus. And then you'll also get back 1,600 points, or kicks rather, on Shopkick, which is $6.40. And for that, you want to grab 1 vanilla and 1 chocolate, bringing them down to $1.76 each. Now I have these Pillies, y'all. Let me just say, I've had these probably for like years. I'm not even gonna lie, I've had them forever. I'm not even sure where I got them from, but I plan on using these. But since they don't have the kids in my area, I can't do it. Now I thought about getting these here. They're obviously priced a lot more. They're priced at $10.48. So I guess if I grab 2 of them, and then use 2 of the Peelies, I would get back $6.50 on Ibotta, $6.40 on Shopkick. It would make these $8.02 for 2 of them, or $4.01 each, which we're just gonna have to just leave them there, considering we still have a gazillion boost that we got from CVS forever ago. And so it's a hard pass. Okay, and I decided to go ahead and grab this deal again. It's on the Hillshire Farms. I've been doing this on repeat, y'all. They are priced at $2.78. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $5.56, getting back 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40, which is 300 kicks for each one. And then there's also $2.50 on checkout 51 for buying 2. Makes these 33 cents each. And I went ahead and just grabbed 6 again, because yeah, this has been my little snack, like literally. Next up is the All Free and Clear, priced at $3.93. You're gonna grab 1 of them, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, $1.50 on Alexa, and $1.50 on Inbox Dollars, bringing that down to only 18 cents. So this next deal is on the Colgate Optic White Renewal. It's priced at $7.32. We just got some new offers this morning on Ibotta. So I'm gonna grab this, price at $7.32, like I said. Getting back $4 on Ibotta. There's also $4 on Inbox Dollars as well. I'm making this a 68-cent moneymaker. There's also an offer for the toothpaste, which is right here, priced at $3.96. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $7.92, getting back $2 on Ibotta, and then $4 on Inbox Dollars for buying 2. Makes them 96 cents each. Next up is the Suave shampoo and conditioners. We're gonna grab 1, price at $1.94, getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on ShopMium as well, making that a 6-cent moneymaker. Okay, really quick, I'm gonna show y'all something. I shared this trick with you guys a while ago. Are you sure you want to abort? Yes. I'm gonna share it with you guys really quick again too. All right, so on ShopMium, sometimes if you always know what's on your list by clicking redeem, and then we'll view all of our offers. These are all the ones that are activated. When I scroll through the home page, I didn't see the Suave on here, but I saw it here, right there, right? So when you scan it though, it doesn't pop up. Watch, I'll show you what you can do to make sure that you have it or not. We're gonna click scan. We're gonna scan it. You always want to make sure you're not scanning the QR code. Some of these bottles have QR codes behind them, and sometimes you'll pick up the QR code. So as you can see, it's not finding anything, right? So we're going to close it out. We're going to go to scan. We're going to click verify, submit, take photo. We're just going to take a photo of anything. I always take one of my shoes, right? And then we're going to click done. And then we're going to scan the item. And there you have it. There it is right there. So that's just a little tip, hack, whatever, on scanning stuff. If you don't see it on your list and you know that it's still valid. All right, so this next group of deals is a gift card deal. I saw this ad roll through Instagram. It's a spend 30, get back $10. I think it's a virtual gift card. I've done this deal before. So I'm going to grab 3 different items. The first one we're going to start off with is the Digestive Advantage. It's priced at $12.98. The next thing that we're going to grab is going to be the Airborne, which is priced at $7.74. And then the last thing I'm going to grab is the Mega Red, which is priced at $10.37. All 3 products are going to come to $31.09. You're going to get back $5 for the Digestive Advantage on Ibotta and $2 for the Airborne on Ibotta. You're also going to be getting back the same rebates on Alexa, our Shopmium, and Inbox Dollars. And then last but not least, I have $3.95 in rebates on Brand Club. Plus, we're getting back the $10 gift card, making this an $11.91 money. The option would be to grab the Move Free, which is priced at $8.87. The Airborne, priced at $7.74. And the Digestive Advantage, priced at $8.97. So for this one, all 3 products are going to come to $35.58. We'll get back $5 for the Move Free, $5 for Digestive Advantage on Ibotta, and then $2 for the Airborne on Ibotta, which is $12. You're going to get back the same identical rebates on either Shopmium or Alexa and Inbox Dollars of $12. And then you'll also get back the $10 gift card, plus we'll get back $3.95 on Brand Club. So it'll make that a $14.37 moneymaker. So yeah, either way it goes, it's a nice moneymaker. I'll probably go and do this one since it's a bigger moneymaker. Right, so my next deal is on the Preparation H. It's on the, what are these? Totables? Totables? Is that what that says? Totables? Toilables. That don't even make sense. Anyway, so listen, I'm gonna grab 2 of these priced at $4.18. You're gonna pay $8.36 out of pocket and get back $4 on Ibotta, $4 on Shopmium, and $4 on Inbox Dollars, making this a $3.64 moneymaker. It's gonna be on the Mucinex. It's priced at $7.28. It's a 7 count. This one does work for Ibotta. Well, works for across the board, let's just be honest. But one of the ladies that was over here said this one's really good. And I get this itch in my throat sometimes. I haven't had it in a minute, but she said this works really good. So I was like, you know what? Let me just pay the extra low 20 cents and get this one instead. But if you want to grab that one, you'll get back $2 on Ibotta, $2 on Alexa, and $2 on Inbox Dollars, making that $128. Or $148. The last thing we're going to do. But by the way, real quick, y'all, you still watching and you got to this point in the video and you still watching and you didn't smash the like button, guess what? When you wake up tomorrow, your nose is going to be blue. But listen, it's on the Children's Motrin. It's priced at $7.46. And for this, you're going to be getting back $2 on Ibotta, $2 on Shopmium, $2 on Inbox Dollars, making this $8.46. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. This was awesome. I'm super stoked about this, y'all. I love food. I love food. I like chicken. I freaking love chicken. Because your girl's been eating the heck out of some chicken. So to get these for so cheap compared to me paying like what, $8, $9 a bag. I usually get this kind for like my salads just because it's quick and I like to just have it in the freezer ready to go. And so that was an awesome deal there. What else? With the Colgate. So when I went to submit my receipt, it was gone. All right, so I had to wipe that from my list. I was already prepared to take it back because your girl ain't paying for no toothpaste. Well, I'm not paying that much for no toothpaste. And so when I submitted my receipt though, I still got credit for it, so that was cool. So I was like, okay, I don't take it back. What else with this haul? With the Move Free, I did have two $5 offers for Alexa. It's still processing, so I'll let you guys know how that plays out. I had two offers for $2 for the Mucinex. I did get credit for both of those, and that was on Shopmium. Yeah, I'm happy about this. And I've been eating these adult Lunchables right here every day. I have one practically every day, y'all. I wish Josiah liked them, but he don't. And so, everything you see here retails $147.09. I'm getting back $33.75 from Ibotta, $24.50 from Inbox Dollars. Checkout 51 was $19.02. Alexa should be $16. Shopmium is $15. My Points is $12.83. We got back the gift card for the Move Free Airborne and the Digestive Advantage. Well, it says it takes up to 48 hours. We got back $7.20 from Shopkick. Cashwalk, I finally cashed out a $5 gift card for Walmart, which cost me 3,000 coins. So I told you I'm not gonna use that app no more. I think I'm gonna keep it on my phone, but it only tracks your steps if you're actually holding your phone or if it's on your person. And so, but David showed me this little trick last time he came, where if you just tap it, it'll count your steps. So I'm probably just gonna keep it on my phone just in case. But I'm not gonna be too pressed to have it on me all the time like I was before. But I did get a $5 gift card from Cashwalk. Brand Club is $4.15. I've already done the surveys. And then last but not least, $2.28 for the Pepsi. Now with the Pepsi, when I went to submit the receipt, for some reason, it wasn't accepting it. And so I had to send in an email. Hopefully everything will work out as far as that. And so we get back a total of $149.73. Makes everything you see here free plus a $2.64 moneymaker. Now my tax for this was $809, which obviously is for all of this stuff right here. And the Dove and the Suave. After tax, it nets everything at $5.43, which is definitely not bad because I got grilled chicken, y'all. I'm happy about that. And I got lunches. And I got stuff for my salads and my oatmeal. So I'm happy about that, right? Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, if you got to the end, thank you guys so much. Josiah, what's your emoji, bug? It's an earth emoji. At earth emoji. So if you got to the end of the video, Josiah's emoji for you is an earth emoji. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.